Here is a brand new image function in Excel, and in this video I'm going to show you how this new function works. For example, I have applications right here. I have Excel, I have Access and Publisher. I would like to insert an image or icon for each of these applications. So I'll use the new image function. I'll come in here and say equals image, open brackets. This function has one mandatory argument, which is you must give the source of the image that you'd like to insert. So for my case, in this particular example, I've already copied the image URLs and I have saved them in this workbook. So I'll just refer to a single cell, but you can also copy the URL directly from the internet and then paste it inside the formula. Either way, it will still work. So for my case, I'll go ahead and point to the cell that contains my image URL, which is actually F2. I close off the function, hit enter key on the keyboard, and there you go. You can see now the icon or image for Excel appearing right here automatically. If you move your cursor and hover over the image like this, you'll see it now expands and it gives you a little bit a bigger view of the picture. And because this is a normal formula like any other, we can just drag this formula to the rest of the cells.